How to become a big bus tours affiliate and start earning commissions promoting sightseeing bus tours online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote sightseeing tours is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Big Bus Tours affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Big Bus Tours is a global tourism company that offers hop-on hop-off sightseeing bus tours in many major cities around the world. Travelers can explore famous landmarks and attractions while stopping at multiple locations during the tour. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Big Bus Tours affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books a sightseeing tour through your affiliate link on Big Bus Tours, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting travel tours and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliates.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.